Might be able to hear it, but there's like a kind of a low rumble coming from all the lightning from this particular thunderstorm over here, particular cell. And over here there's a sunset. Looks like a sunset thunderstorm back there, but it doesn't seem to be producing as much lightning as this one is over here. Might be able to faintly make out the flashes of lightning within the clouds as they kind of light up. This is about 40 minutes after the last video I posted, and you can see the difference here. It's way closer than it was before. And then here's the other cell over here, not really producing as much lightning as the one behind me here, but still looks pretty pretty. So we can get a closer video here in a second. Last few rays of sun right there, and before it gets covered by this cloud in front of you, right there, and then there's the other storm there. And this storm does have the possibility of potentially having some hail in it, small hail. There's a cell to the southwest of it. Ooh, that was a big flash. Cell to the southwest of it that also might have hail, about half an inch possibly, up to there, around about last I checked, which is about 10 minutes ago. Do a little pan around here. Sun is setting. There's that cell all the way back there still, and then there's this one. I really hope you're able to hear the distant rumbles from this thing. Probably not, but there's some distant rumbles every time you see one of those flashes. The storm might pass me to the north. It should pass me to the north, actually, rather. Unless it starts expanding or moving, taking a jog to the southeast, it should pass me by to the north. So I'll get a awesome lightning show from this, because this is going to be sun setting probably around about now. So I'm going to get a good lightning show out of this, hopefully, once the sun fully goes down. Excuse me. There's also some more storms. If these ones don't hit me, there's some more storms farther away that'll probably hit me in the dead of night, if they do, that are scattered all over the place around San Antonio, Austin area, that are moving away southeast. We do have an 80% chance of rain, and the National Weather Service over here is predicting around 1.5 inches from the night, from these possible storms that might pass through over in downtown Corpus.